Alright, welcome back to one more video. I'll be answering some questions regarding the female color that I use and also type of season that is the best for them and some other questions. And here I'm showing on the left we have all the green canaries, and the last on the right with the white color on the bottom are the F3 red Siskins. I put them with the canaries because they teach them how to eat together, so they learn pretty fast. Alright, so like I always do, I'm gonna show you the pairs that we have, and as we go through by pair, I will explain different questions that I've been getting. Look at the back. They're trying to be funny. Look at each other. Alrighty, so yeah, the mother is getting the plumage from him to make a nest, but I started putting already. I'm going to start putting more so that she can build the nest and doesn't have to do that to the little ones, because that's one problem. You see, guys, that's not good. That happens when you don't put enough things for them to make the nest. They start getting the little ones. They start getting all their feathers to make the nest. Since they don't have anything to do with it, they get the feathers. Yeah, sometimes that happens, and that's not so good. And right here we have the crested canaries. Right, so over here we have more pairs. Right here we have female laying. Right here we have a beautiful color. I love the cinnamon color. That's one of my favorite colors. Right there we have from him. Sometimes I do this. I put one male for two females, and what I do is I separate. I use the divisor. And that's also one question that I have been getting about the divisor. I usually put them in the divisor throughout the when they do the plumage, when they put away all their feathers, and as the season is coming and the birds are getting prepared, what I do is I try to take away the divider, and I put the one that has the same material so that they can see through. I use this one when the season is starting to begin. I use those so that they can start seeing each other. There you go, you see, same method that I was explaining. I have one male with the female, and I have this other female here laying down with the eggs. So yes, guys, the divisors are really important because you want to do it correctly. If not, you will end up, not having the birds as ready. Because when you put the divider, it gives you an idea of how the birds are doing. Because if you see that they are like giving each other food by the divisor, that means that they're ready, basically ready to start the season. But if you see them that they're fighting, that's not a good, sometimes they give food and they fight, but if it's a constant fighting, it's good to put the divisor again and let them have time so that they can be ready. So here is the F2 red Siskin that we have with the green canary. Here in the beginning of the video I have these guys, this F2 red Siskin. I have the little ones right here in the back, and he's always pretty effective. And right here we have the other colored canaries. I'll show you his dad. These colors we have gotten them from only one, with only one male canary. It has been really good with all the females. I'll show you guys right now all these guys' father. Wow, that was really long. She must have gotten impressive about that. Oh my god. Really long time singing. Alright guys, so another video here of the mules. More canaries. More over here too. So thank you all again. So any questions, always you can ask me in the comments. I'll be more than welcome to answer you guys. Next season I have some new birds prepared. I will start breeding more Greensingers and European Goldfinch, also some black hooded Siskin. So I'll always be keeping you guys with some new birds. So have a great day. Thank you guys. Bye.